Losing body fat quickly can be a desirable goal for many people, but it's important to do so in a safe and sustainable way. Crash diets and extreme measures can be dangerous and can lead to weight regain or other health problems. In this article, we will discuss some safe and effective ways to lose body fat quickly. The most basic and essential step in losing body fat is to create a calorie deficit. This means that you need to burn more calories than you consume. You can do this by reducing your calorie intake through healthy eating or by increasing your calorie expenditure through exercise or other physical activity. A combination of both is ideal for maximum results. A balanced diet is crucial for weight loss. Eating nutrient-dense foods that are high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help you eat fewer calories overall. Avoiding processed foods and added sugars, and focusing on whole foods, can also help you lose body fat quickly and safely. Strength training is an excellent way to build muscle and increase your metabolism. Building muscle can help you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're at rest. Aim to strength train at least 2 to 3 times a week, using a variety of exercises that target all major muscle groups. HIIT is a form of cardio that involves short bursts of intense activity followed by periods of rest or low-intensity activity. This type of cardio is highly effective for burning calories and fat, and it can be done in a relatively short period of time. Losing body fat quickly can be done safely and effectively by creating a calorie deficit through a combination of healthy eating and physical activity. Eating a balanced diet, incorporating strength training, and doing high-intensity interval training are all effective ways to lose body fat quickly while still promoting overall health and wellness. Remember that the most important is to be consistent and to have patience as the weight loss process takes time. Click the link below the description to learn more about how to lose weight safely without dieting and without exercise.